time, exercise time.
I'll get some walking in.
Dito naman kami sa Bantayan.
Walking in.
Walk, walk, walk.
Walk, walk.
Run, run, run. Careful, honey Mike.
I know, let's go under here. I don't think it's too busy there. People still at work. Or went this morning.
Ay, mga bantayan. Panaad gali guys, Panaad Park, Mansilingan. Panaad. Sala lang.
75th Defense Center. Philippine Army. Very good.
Very clean.
Mm-hmm.
Very clean. Exercise, walking guys.
Walking.
4:25 p.m.